In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to perform multiple runs in Coretex using its parameter optimization feature. First, click on the task box in the workflow preview and enter the values 520 and 640 for the image size parameter. Afterward, select the option for multiple runs. Choose the appropriate node, and then review the workflow to ensure everything is set up correctly. You'll observe that optimizing image size parameter produced 2 task runs. Next, we start the workflow and see the task runs being executed. Once all the workflow runs are complete, we open the last executed run for a model comparison. By opening the list, we find that the model with ID 602 has higher accuracy compared to the model with ID 603. In this case, the image size 520 parameter produces better accuracy than the image size 640 parameter.